Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you. And this is part 4 of computer awareness. So let's start. Storing one bit of information is called storing one bit information is called flipboard. A flip-flops store one bit in their memory. So storing of one bit information is known as flip-flops. The state diagram represent information in the state diagram represent the information in a graphically. Diagram is known that is represent the data in the graphical information. The state diagram represent the data in graphically. What is the full form of SSI? SI is a small scale integration. Small scale integration is the full form of SSI. A group of lipo known as a group of lipo, if we know that if lipo are added to form a group, then is known as a register. A register is a group of the lipo. So report store one bit and register are those different type register with that are stored the different data 8 bit and 16 bit. These are the all other types of registers. Register or are register organized to allow to move left or right operation is called a register which allow to move left and right operation is the name of the register and name of shift register that move the data in left and right that is known as a shift register which is following a fast access time which is accessed by computer fastly from these. This is semiconductor memories like RAM, ROM, all have faster instead of the magnetic types compared because this is primary memory and other are the scan memory has faster access time. Next one is which is following is the cheapest memory device in terms of their cost and bit. Cost and base in terms of that is the compactness. It is cheapest memory device. The cheapest memory device is from this is compact disk, which is following the best unit data on the external memory storage device. External storage device, we have stored data on external storage device. Then which one is the best unit of data? So that is you say the byte. If external means like they are storing data on the DVD, CD, floppies, all are the RAM. Pen drive. These are all the external storage devices. So best unit is byte. So we store data in so much mega MB, KB, like bytes, kilobyte, megabytes, gigabytes, GB, all these are terabytes. So we make data in form of bytes. Which is the failure of the program? It does not work correctly. It does not work. Really, what is the program? Then what is the failure? It is the failure of testing. We have the program not tested properly. That does not work it properly. Which is the program that accept the symbolic language program. Which program which accept the assembly language, symbolic language means assembly language. Assembly language is assembly language, so it's very clear that assembler is used to interpret the assembly language into a machine language. The program is assembler. A sequence of micro instruction constitute. Micro instructions constitute a sequence of the micro instruction is known as a microprogram. A micro instruction data given to computer and this sequence is known as a microprogram. A special high-speed memory called special high-speed memory is known as cache memory. Cache memory which is right inside the processor. It's a fast memory in the computer which is accessed by directly by processor and is as fast speed, register more faster speeds in the computer. After that cache memory, then it RAM, ROM, all are there, and then hard disk secondary memory. Or these are the in the terms of the speeds. Or address used by the program will be called VBR address that is used by the program is known as virtual address. A virtual address is the used by the program. Memory is made of set of wires, set of circuits, large number of cells. All of these are the memory. As we know that we have seen the RAM, ROM, all these have wires, circuits, large number cells, and these all are used to make memory. Which is semiconductor memory? Semiconductor memory is dynamic and static. Both are dynamic and static in the semiconductor memory. Like semiconductor RAM, ROM is static while the RAM is the dynamic. So both are the semiconductor memories that are used in the computer. So next question is dash contain a list of the all file in a database which contain a list of all files. List of all files data dictionary like we have dictionary that contain the all the list letters which are we can find it in that same like in a computer database have data dictionary in which all files are contains which inside the right inside the database. That has multiply the components that have each pure and separate unit. Test that multiple component that have each pure and units. Separate unit testing. Test that means which test in which we have a test before start the software test the software. So in this unit testing, the unit testing we have like a divide on the software into units and separately we test it. And that is known as a unit. Each unit, like for a simple example of a calculator, we are testing a calculator. Then we will test each part of the calculator, like plus minus is properly working. Then function a one two, all the these that are correctly working equal to, and each are separately test are performed. That is known as a unit testing. A data dictionary. Data dictionary include the all information about the system data, which are system data we have procedure logic. What are the logic? We are project requirement, which will be a requirement we have. All of these are included data dictionary. DOS we know that before that processor. The first one is the MS DOS, which are disk operating system, which are used in is a type of operating system which are firstly used in before 18 in 80s and 19s are very popular in those operating system which is follow the commands and is operates on the commands, and these are known as a disk operating system. The term DOS command is a command. The internal DOS command is a loaded into memory with the DOS. The internal command is a external or internal command DOS, and internal command which loaded in memory with the DOS. And when we are loaded DOS is loaded in memory with the DOS. Those are known as internal command. Thank you, and please subscribe and like and share it and comment on it. Thank you very much.